What's the trick? I wish I knew. I'm so done with thinking through all the things I could have been. And I know you wonder too. So all it takes is that one look you do, and I run right back to you. You cross the line, and it's time to say fuck you. What's the point in saying that when you know how I'll react? You think you can just take it back, but shit just don't work like that. Cause you're the drug that I'm addicted to, and I want you so bad. Guess I'm stuck with you, and that's that. Cause when it all falls down, then whatever. When it don't work out for the better, if it just ain't right and it's time to say goodbye. When it all falls down, when it all falls down, I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Cause you're the drug that I'm addicted to, and I want you so bad, but I'll be fine.
Why we fight, I don't know. We say what hurts the most. Oh, I try staying cold, but you take it personal. All these firing shots and making ground, it's way too hard to cope, but I still can't let you go.
When it all falls down, then whatever.
When it don't work out for the better, if we just stay right and it's time to say goodbye. When it all falls down,